An elastomeric roof coating can add years to the life of a Tucson flat or low-slope roof, while dramatically cutting cooling costs through Arizona's brutal summers. Tucson's heat pushes uncoated flat roofs past temperatures that crack and degrade any membrane. A quality elastomeric coating reflects that energy before it causes damage. DC Roofing of Arizona applies commercial-grade acrylic and rubber-based elastomeric formulas, with full surface prep and leak repair before any coating goes down. David Contreras has applied elastomeric coatings on hundreds of Tucson roofs since 2011 and knows how to prep a surface for maximum adhesion in this climate. We serve Tanque Verde, South Tucson, Midtown, and every community across the Tucson metro. ENERGY STAR qualified formulas, written warranties, 4.8 stars, and 500 completed roofs. Call DC Roofing of Arizona today for your free elastomeric coating estimate.